Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Talita Latisha Miranti from Teknik Perkapalan. My student number is 19063017766 and today I will explain about my muhasabah in numerical method class. So the first question is siapa dan apa best teaching atau teaching essence dari pembelajaran Pak Dai ini? And then the first thing I give the quotes from Elon Musk, which is if you can make the education more interactive and engaging, then the education will be more easier. So this is the teaching essence that I got in Padais classes is how we learn with fully consciousness. When we learn with fully consciousness through the tools provided, we will better understand the content of what we learn. Beside that, what I got from the class with Pak Dai is we have to understand when we have to get out of our comfort zone to learn many new things which might be difficult, but it will be very worth it. On the other hand, we must also provide spaces for ourselves to take a break in the learning process to restore our consciousness and return to be ready to learn again. And this is like what Pak Dai did in the class. Well, the next thing I will explain about consciousness. So this is what I think about consciousness. Consciousness, as it simples, is sessions or awareness of internal and external existence. Consciousness is a condition where we have full awareness to control ourselves in doing something. Well, this is the consciousness system, and consciousness occurs when there is a balanced action between what is in our hearts and what is in our minds. And this is what Padai think about consciousness, where the quotes from Padai is, I am my consciousness. For my understanding, Padai is trying to convey that it is within us that consciousness lies. Then when we are consciously of doing something, then we will get maximum results, inshallah. In addition, from what I understand, where consciousness uses all our hearts and mind in doing something, we can better understand and feel everything we learn so that the knowledge gained can be implemented to help many people and become very useful. So this is konten-konten pada kelas metode numerik, where the first thing, the most important is adab or attitude. Adab is one of the main things to do in Padai's class. One of the adab that is applied is having fully consciousness in learning process. And then the second one is knowledge. In Padai's class, we gain knowledge of basic numerical methods and the use of software in solving numerical method problems. Then the third one is implementation. In Pak Dai's class, we also learn how to apply the knowledge of numerical methods that we have learned to problem solving concept in our field of study. And then the fourth one is muhasabah. In Pak Dai's class, we also do muhasabah regarding the extent of our understanding in this class, like this. And then the next question is bagaimana consciousness itu membantu saya dalam proses belajar metode numerik. Okay, when I have difficulty in learning numerical methods or when I lack enthusiasm in learning numerical methods, a state of fully consciousness can make me reflect again and remember my goal of learning numerical methods so that I can return to study with focus again. And then the next one is muhasabah. Okay, let's do some muhasabah. This is my muhasabah actually. Muhasabah is very important, like hadis Rasulullah. A wise person should allocate a quarter of his time for muhasabah. So with this muhasabah, I hope to consciously cleanse myself and return to my goals in my learning process. So like before, I said that adab or attitude is the most important things. So I put adab first, where through pada ikhlas, I learned a lot about adab. One of the most remarkable things is that I learned the importance of having fully consciousness in studying process. And beside that, I also learned to respect the opinion of anyone who is speaking or expressing their opinion verbally on the CCIT platform, both Padai as my lecturer and other friends. And then the second one, my muhasabah, is knowledge. In Pak Dais class, we are used to interacting intensely, both in class and at CCIT. Beside that, we also do a lot of discussions so that there are a lot of sources of knowledge gained and learned in the numerical methods class. This made us learn and understand a lot about the concept of solving problems using numerical methods. And beside that, we were also taught to use software that we had never tried before. So the knowledge gained in the class was very much. And then the implementation skill, the third muhasabah is my implementation skill. So in addition to having a discussion with a STEM topic, some assignment in this numerical method class were given the opportunity to implement our skill in solving problems related to numerical methods in each of our chosen object. So that gives us a lot of opportunities to explore and hone our problem solving skills. So that's what I feel in my heart. Then this is my self-scoring. I give 90. My name is Ratu Talkatisha Miranti. My student number is 1906301766, and I give 90 for my self-scoring. And this is the external scoring for my friends. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for all the attention, and sorry for all the mistakes I made. Thank you.